how to change the background. So let's going on. We start the report and code. Hello everyone, welcome to PyResearch channel. In this video we will going to implement PyResearch library. First of all, you install the PyResearch library and you can see the here the implementation, and here you getting the result. Background, change the background. It is very easy and all depend on you. First of all, you can copy code from here. Okay, I am copy and open my PyCharm, and you create. I am creating the one project of the with background remover base. So I am creating also one report from my Coca 99 report. You can code this code get from you from here also, and here the library, PyResearch library. Just copy and paste. Installation part already done, and already mentioned all these types of reports, and now will be implement real-time background, remove the background thought human segmentation. You change the picture and you can easily uh, now open the PyCharm, open the new project name, background remover with PyResearch. You can see the Python 3.9 version will be used, and here the main script I will mention it. You can see the background remover. Install my any dependency, OpenCV and PyResearch dependency. You go to the PyCharm references and mention your project path, Python interpreter. Okay, PyResearch. You can see the library. Install the package. We can change the package name is the 1.1 version. You can also go into the at least to version 2. So in this time we are cannot going to the 2 version. So you guys, we are going to the dependency side will be cleared, and we are getting one error, and we you can see the now resolve it, and I am going to the uh, explain some concept of the this algorithm, and put here the image, and you can see the after I'm going to the my path, and so you can check it out the image, and I'm going to show you the PyResearch library, and just copy, uh, just image will be saved, and you can easily it's depend on you which what you want to use. Okay, so here I am put here and copy and paste here, and rename the copy the name and paste here image path means image name. Okay, so I am going to the run it. So let me check any type of getting any error. I hope so it's working fine, but in case any type of error, we are getting to solve it together. So I hope it's taking time. I do not know why it's taking much time. So let me create the some environment. uh, our target will be explain means explore to the more efficiency algorithm. You can see the here the media pipe is missing. Okay, oh, so we are going to the references, and Python interpreter and plus sign, and here the install the media pipe. uh, it's taking time. It depend on your internet. If your internet is stable, it's not much any time. You can check it out the it's working fine. Okay, so let me wait for the installation part is done. So we are exploring more ideas in the PyResearch library. So here our social sites, so you can stay connect with us. Our social sites main platform is the YouTube, and here the GitHub. Second part is the GitHub. Third one is the our Facebook, and fourth LinkedIn. And we are exploring more ideas, and you can see the post section also. Here the image background remover. So I hope so it's working fine now, and you can test it. It is easy. Okay, it's 5 and 7 example in front of you. So I think installation part is done. uh, I hope so. Yeah. So let me discuss more our library social platforms also. So here the our social platform of the YouTube. It is main part. Okay, main platform to exploring free of cost code plus videos for the running part, and you also get the library from the media baby. Okay, so I think so. It's I do not know why much taking much time. Okay, so I think we can minimize it and reinstall it again. Oh, successfully installed. You can see. So now we are going to the apply and okay, and run it again. So getting a result, and you can see the big image, and I am in front of you, and see the one banner PyResearch image. So you can see that it's 1 minute and 2 minute minimize. Oh, it's getting result. You can see the PyResearch logo, my backside, and my happy face. So I hope so. It's it's working okay. So you can use it on university side, just like you also use, and multiple uh, multiple, just like keep in your mind multiple mall side, and also you can use it public place it here, one image, and you can easily. I hope you like it, and support our channel for more getting information updates. Any type of confusion you getting, any error, you comment down.